Awaken your body's self-healing mechanism. Inside each of us lies a powerful self-healing system, designed to restore, regenerate, and rebalance. When you eat well, sleep enough, breathe deeply, and live positively, your body naturally activates its inner repair system, reducing inflammation, detoxifying, and restoring energy. The best part, you don't need to control everything. Just create the right conditions, and your body will do the rest. Trust the biological intelligence within you. It's the best doctor you'll ever have. Below is a clear and science-based explanation of the core principles for living a healthy and long life. The goal is to help you understand why you should make these choices, not just what to do. Programming your body for health and longevity. 1. Healthy diet, your optimal fuel. Why it matters. Your diet determines up to 80% of your long-term health. Food doesn't just fuel your body, it impacts your genes, immune system, and how quickly your cells age. Vegetables, fruits, and whole grains are rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, helping prevent cancer, heart disease, and stabilize blood sugar. Limiting red and processed meat reduces the risk of colon cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Proteins from fish, legumes, eggs, and lean meat support muscle repair and metabolism. Drinking enough water improves circulation, detoxification, kidney function, and skin health. Right finger, you are what you eat, every single day. 2. Regular exercise. Activate longevity genes. Why it matters. Physical activity activates hundreds of beneficial genes linked to longer life, reduces inflammation, regulates hormones, and relieves stress. Aerobic exercises, walking, cycling, swimming, boost your heart, lungs, and brain. Strength training, like squats, planks, helps prevent bone loss and keeps you strong as you age. Lack of movement equals double the aging speed. The more you move, smartly, the younger your body and mind feel. 3. Quality sleep. Reset your entire nervous and hormonal system. Why it matters. During sleep, your body repairs cells, balances hormones, detoxifies your brain, and refreshes your immune system. Sleeping less than 6 hours a night regularly equals higher risk of diabetes, stroke, Alzheimer's, and obesity. Poor sleep schedules disrupt your body's natural rhythms and shorten your lifespan. Bad sleep is like charging your phone the wrong way. It wears out faster. 4. Stress management. Detox your mind and protect your heart. Why it matters. Chronic stress is the silent killer. It raises cortisol levels, damages blood vessels and the brain, and weakens the immune system. Meditation, journaling, or even chatting with a friend can lower blood pressure, increase oxytocin, the love hormone, and reduce depression. Long-term stress can cut your life expectancy by 5 to 10 years. A calm mind is the strongest foundation for a healthy body. 5. Avoid harmful habits. Cut out the slow poison. Why it matters. Smoking contains over 7,000 toxic chemicals, linked to cancer, COPD, strokes, and more. Alcohol damages the liver and increases the risk of cancers, mouth, throat, liver, breast. Staying up late and eating at night disrupts your biological clock, leading to obesity and diabetes. Right finger, your lifespan isn't defined by how many pills you take, but by how many bad habits you let go of. 6. Keep your mind active. Sharpen memory. Prevent mental decline. Why it matters. Mental activity forms new brain connections, helping prevent dementia and Alzheimer's. People with a clear life purpose tend to live longer. The brain is like a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. 7. Regular health checkups. Prevention is better than cure. Why it matters. Early detection of issues like high blood pressure, cholesterol, or diabetes makes treatment easier. Routine screenings help catch cancer in its early stages, with survival rates 3 to 5x higher. Right finger, even the best cars need regular checkups. Your body deserves the same care. Final message. Health isn't everything, but without health, everything else becomes nothing. Start investing in your health daily. It's the greatest compound interest you'll ever earn in life.